Hope you all are well. Let us start our next video. It will be on the basis of elements of accounts part 1 standard 12. Today we are going to start the third chapter. Third chapter is valuations of the goodwill. Before starting the third chapter, let me explain few things about the weightage of this third chapter. Already I told you the chapter 1 and chapter 2. Now let me say the third chapter, which is valuations of the goodwill. In this chapter you will get total 6 marks questions, but these 6 marks questions it will come according to your board paper style. One MCQ of 1 mark which will come in section A, one very short theory that is also 1 mark which will come in section B, and one short type of sum that is 4 marks that will come in the section D. So section D 1 sum, section A 1 sum, 1 question, and section B 1 question. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. 6 questions you will get it. Now let me say what is called goodwill. See how to calculate the amount of goodwill in this chapter you are going to learn. But before that, let me say what is called goodwill. So many times you have heard from your teacher the word goodwill. While you have done the final account, that time also you have seen the goodwill you have written in balance sheet asset side first item. See students, when you purchase the assets like the land, machinery, building, you have written the amount against that, and you came to know this is the actual amount of the land, actual amount of the building or the furniture. But when you wrote the goodwill, suppose 40,000 or 50,000, already you came to know that I did not buy the goodwill, how the amount you calculated and how the amount you came to know. This chapter will tell you how to calculate the amount of the goodwill. Before that, let you know what is called the goodwill. In simple word, goodwill is an intangible assets. Goodwill is an intangible assets, MCQ it may come, which shows the reputations of the firm in this market. And once again it is given, goodwill is the value of the reputations of the firm in respect of the profit earning capacity. See that profit earning capacity in which method it is increasing, that system is called the goodwill. Goodwill is nothing but it is the extra earning capacity or the reputations of the company is called goodwill. Which company is having the goodwill, that company is having the probability to earn the profit in the market. This chapter one theoretical questions may come, that is factor affecting the valuations of the goodwill. Which are the factors affecting the valuations of the goodwill? That is nature of the business, locations of the business, then the period of the business, market situations, efficiency of the manager, and the other special benefit. This is the factor affecting of the valuations of the goodwill. The theoretical part I have written it here. Meaning of the goodwill, page number 89. Factor affecting the valuations of the goodwill, page number 89. Necessity. What is the necessity for calculations of the valuations of the goodwill? Whenever you are doing the final account, that time goodwill is required. If in case of a partnership firm, if one partner is coming and another partner is going or leaving, or any death case is coming, that time also goodwill amount is required. Now this is the things, what is the necessity of the valuations of the goodwill, that page number 90. And the most important, where the 4 marks practical sums will come, that is method of valuations of the goodwill. How many methods are there to calculate the amount of the goodwill? It is given in the page number 90 in your textbook. This is the most important. There are the 4 methods are there. These 4 methods also the MCQ may come. How many methods are there to calculate the amount of the goodwill or to evaluate the amount of the goodwill? The sum number 1, the simple average profit method. Number 2, the weighted average profit method. Number 3, the super profit method, where you are having the 6 steps and number 4 the capitalizations of profit method, where you are having 5 steps. How to calculate the amount of the goodwill in super profit method? You have to remember this is having 6 steps, and the fourth one, how to calculate the amount of the goodwill through capitalizations of profit method, it is having the 5 steps. And this first one and second one, you are having three steps. Here also you are having 3 steps. Here also you are having 3 steps. Generally in board question sheets comes either from the second method or from the third method or from the fourth method. Also you have to know the simple average profit method also. Let me start the first one, how to calculate the amount of the goodwill by simple average profit method. It has the another name, the average profit method also. Average profit method or simple average profit method also it is said. It has the 3 steps, step 1, step 2 and step 3 it is given. Page number 105, question number 4 in your textbook, page number 105, exercise question number 4. This is the questions which I have taken from your book. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 years profit is given, 2011-12, 12-13, 13-14, 14-15, 15-16. The profit is given 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10, 80,000, 2 lakh and 1 lakh 15. This is the questions which I got from your exercise. Sum. What will do? First steps, you have to find out the total profit. Add the total profit of these 5 years. If you add, you will get 7,40,000. And second step, you have to find out the average profit. Formula for calculating the average profit is equal to total profit by numbers of years. How many numbers of years profit is given? 5 years profit is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 6 years profit is given, then it will be 6. If 7 is given, it will be 7. If 5 is given, it will be 5. Step 1, step 2, this formula, while you are doing or solving in the board paper, this step you have to write, this formula you have to write. If you are not writing this formula, marks will be deducted. Direct you don't do this one. Now total profit is 7,40,000 divided by 5 is equal to 1,48,000. This 1,48,000 is your average profit. Now you are going to find out the goodwill. In your question it is given goodwill will be calculated and 4 years average profit. Numbers of years average profit it will be given in the questions. Numbers of years average profit, how many it is given? It will be multiplied with this average profit. So average profit into numbers of years purchase. Numbers of years purchase it will be given. It will be given in the questions. So no need to do anything, only you have to multiply this number with your average profit. So 1,48,000 into 4, which is coming 5,92,000. This is very simple. This is very simple sum. Add the profit, find out the average profit and find out the goodwill. Now the same questions, suppose if it is given the loss in the middle of the year, कोई एक साल का लॉस आया. Suppose it is given the next question, sum number 5. Here it is given 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 years is given. Previous it was 5 years. See 60, 80, 20 and 30. But 20 it is given within bracket. Within bracket means it is a minus. Minus means it is a loss, not profit. So profit for the first year is 60,000, then 80,000, and third year is a loss, then fourth year again it is profit. If you add this 4, what will do? First you have to find out the total profit. When you will calculate the total profit, that time the profit that you will add all this profit, this plus this plus this. So 60 plus 80, 140 plus 30, which coming 170, and this you have to minus, which is coming 1,50,000. So if it is loss coming, this loss will be deducted from your total. Whatever the profit is coming, you add this all profit, then deduct the loss, that is your total profit. And second step, it is same, average profit is equal to total profit by numbers of years. Numbers of years, when we calculate, that time this also will be 1 year. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So 1,50,000 divided by 4 is equal to 37,500. And the third step, which is called the goodwill, that is average profit by numbers of years purchase. YP I have written, this is years purchase. So that is coming 1,87,500. The next method, second method is giving weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit method is most important method, but this method, when you will apply, that is the most important. Keep in mind, by seeing the questions, you don't start. To apply this method, the condition is there, I have written it here. Profit or loss, it should be either in increasing or in decreasing order. This is not a increasing or decreasing order. See, 60, 80, it is increasing. Next 20, decreasing. Next, it is increasing. So this is not a increasing or decreasing. This is fluctuating. But if it is either in increasing or it is in decreasing, I have written it here. The profit or loss, it should be either in increasing or in decreasing order. Then only this method will be applicable. If it is not increasing or decreasing order, then this method will not be applicable. So before applying this second method, you try to find out whether it is increasing or decreasing order it is given or not. See these questions I have taken, page number 105, question number 7. This is year. How many years are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years are given. Profit, it is given 40, 60, 75, 90, 120. Every profit is towards increasing order. In the year of 12, 13, and next year it is 60, next year it is 75, next year it is 90, next year it is 1,20,000. So when year is also going forward and profit also it is increasing. Up to this steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, it is given questions. Now from here onwards, solutions is started. You have to put the weight, that will not be given in the questions. Weight you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 6 are given, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 7 are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. If 4 is given, then 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Next steps you have to find out the weighted profit, WP. Weighted profit means you have to apply, that is P and W. This is P, this is W. This is profit, this is weight. 40 into 1, 40,000. 60 into 2, 1,20,000. 75 into 3, 225. Similarly this and this. And you have to add this weighted profit, you have to add. If you add, you will get 13,45,000, which is called WP. And it is given sigma matlab total. Sigma WP is equal to 13,45,000. Previous sum you added this one, but this sum we have to find out the weighted profit. And also you have to make the total for weight, which is called sigma W. These two we need, this one and this one. This is first steps. Second steps, the average profit. Average profit means sigma WP by sigma W. Sigma means total, WP. WP ka total 13,45,000, and sigma W here is not ER. This is weight. That is coming 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15, which is coming 89,666.67 in round figure, RF round figure 89,667. So goodwill will be multiplied by numbers of years with this number, and numbers of years it is given 3. So goodwill will be average profit into numbers of years purchase 89,667 into 3, which come 2,69,000. Dear students, confusions where it will come, that confusions type I want to clear you. Sometime the weight W, whether you are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, how you will come to know the weight will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want to clear this one. See, this is year, this is serial number. This is year, this is serial number. First one you follow. Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Year, it is given 12-13. Year started 12-13 and your last year is coming 16-17. This is nearest to your current year. This is nearest to your current year. This is 5 years before. This is 1 year before. This is 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, this is 5 years is before. So which is the nearest to the current year, that weight will be always more. Keep in mind. It is started 12-13. It is ended 16-17. Suppose year now the year it is going on, that is 17-18. Now it is year is going on 17-18. So which is the nearest to the current year? This is current year. Which is the nearest to the current year, that weight will be always more. Which is the first year far away from that current year, that weight will be always less. So 12-13. Now profit, whether it is given in increasing order or decreasing order. Profit, it may be given in increasing order, it may be given decreasing order. Let it be. Whether here you see this is given decreasing order, 1,20,000, 90, 75, 60, 40. Profit, whether it is given in increasing order or it is given in decreasing order, that you will not consider. Weight, you will take decision on the basis of the year. If nearest year, that weight will be 5, and the year which is far away from the current year, that weight always will be less. That is 1. See, in this case the year I have given on the opposite way. Here I written 1, but year 16-17, then 15-16, then 14-15, then 13-14, then 12-13. 12-13 is the far away from your current year. This is the nearest to your current year. This year, previous sum it was given in the last, but it is given in the first. So what will given? The year which is nearest to the current year, that weight will be more. See, here it is given 5. Here it is given 1. Whether profit is increasing or decreasing, that you will not consider. This weight, whether it will be this weight, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this weight it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is depending not on the profit whether it is given increasing, not on the profit whether it is given decreasing, only it is depending on the year. If it is given 12-13, 13-14, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is given 16-17, 15-16, 14-15, 13-14, 12-13, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think student you understood. Now regarding the homework, I will tell you. On the basis of today's video, what I taught, I have given the homework in PDF format. You can download this file. The link of this file is given in the description box of this video, and you have to submit the answer within 48 hours to me through WhatsApp. Okay.